You're smoking a little there. Your motor's running a little hot. He lost power. That's gonna help you do a burnout.
Yeah. You lose traction in water.
That's a cheater burnout.
Hey.
You're stupid.
My oil light's on.
I told you it's smoking.
Okay, here's an update on our little burnout video. So, when we took off, we lost power. And couldn't figure out why. Gotta get towed back. Well, on our way getting towed back, I lost my horn and we ran over my horn. But finally, we figured it out. So I blew up a coil, and I also broke the distributor. So inside the distributor right there in the center, there's supposed to be a post for your coil wire. Well, that's gone. But, good news is, we're back. Well guys, I did not blow the motor up. She's good to go. She's ready to rip.
Is the bug gonna survive this?
We don't know.
Oh.
What happened?
He never finished teaching me how to drive.
That is the most scariest ride I've ever had. We had a screwdriver get stung under the gas pedal.
Well, let's hear the truth. What is it? How was the drive?
It wasn't terrible until like right over here. That was only right here. Your car's on.